Getting your Payoneer account blocked feels like a punch in the gut, especially when your hard-earned money is sitting behind a digital wall you can't climb. I'm going to show you exactly how to navigate this mess and get back into the driver's seat. Stick around until the very end, because I've got a specific trick to bypass the automated support bots and get a real human to actually look at your case, which is usually the only way to fix this permanently. Payoneer isn't just being mean. They are obsessed with compliance and risk management because they have to answer to global banking regulators. Think of them like a high-security vault that self-locks the moment it detects a shadow. They block accounts to stop fraud before it happens, but their automated systems often flag honest people by mistake. The most common trigger is high-risk transactions. If you suddenly receive a massive cross-border payment or have a random spike in your usual volume, the system panics. It also hates funds coming from sources that aren't clearly verified or flagged entities. Verification is another huge trap. If your ID documents don't match your profile perfectly, or if your selfie is even slightly blurry, you're going to hit a wall. They also have a strict list of unsupported countries and business types, so if you try to sneak through from a restricted region, you're done. Then there are the terms of service violations. Using a business account for personal person-to-person payments is a massive red flag. So is letting your account sit empty and inactive for a year, or touching anything related to gambling, crypto, or adult services. Even small things like multiple failed login attempts or logging in from a weird location can trigger a security flag because it doesn't match your usual pattern. To fix this, first, you need to check your email for a specific notice from the compliance team. Next, make sure you have a high-quality scan of your government ID and a utility bill ready that matches your account address exactly. Now, simply head to the Payoneer Support Center and look for the Account Approval or Verification section. You must submit your documents through their official portal rather than replying to an automated email. If they ask for a business description, be incredibly specific about what you do. Avoid vague terms and show them you are a legitimate freelancer or seller. Now, for that pro tip I promised. If the standard support tickets are getting you nowhere, go to their official social media pages on X or LinkedIn and send a direct message with your reference number. The social media teams have a different priority level and can often escalate your ticket to a human specialist much faster than the standard queue. To keep your account safe forever, always keep a small amount of activity going and never use your Payoneer card on sites related to digital assets or betting. If you want to know how to set up your backup payment method so you never lose access to your cash again, you should definitely check out my guide on setting up Wise as a safety net.